Dear viewers, now I'm going to speak about sanitizers. Please do not think what is a big deal about sanitizers where corona situation is decreasing gradually. Please do not skip this video as at the end we will be able to judge the right Medicare. Okay, let's see what's there in sanitizers. Why should we use them? Do we have any harmful effects in using them? Do we have any alternative solutions for it? Sanitizers were introduced in the year 1966. There are two types of sanitizers, one alcohol based and the other one is non-alcohol based sanitizer. According to American Journal of Infection Control's research, their studies state that alcohol based sanitizer cannot kill norovirus as alcohol cannot get through it. Norovirus, when not killed, can cause inflammation of the intestines, making our immune system weaker. Scientist Deepshika Chakravorty from Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, says that even though sanitizers are effective in killing the germs and bacteria, but still their source and structural components remain the same. One of the sanitizer component called PAMs contain lipopolysaccharides, which mediates system inflammatory response. They can also stimulate non-immune cells and initiate inflammatory process. Adding to the point, in Western countries, there is a huge increase in cases recorded due to the hazardous effects of sanitizers. A research in Virginia from American Association of Poison Control Center records 70,000 hazardous cases of sanitizers. Now let's see about non-alcohol sanitizers. These sanitizers contain chemical called triclosan. As per American Environment non-profit group's research, this chemical penetrates through the skin very easily and produces harmful effects such as cancer, hormonal imbalances, infertility, muscle weakness, allergic reactions, etc. At the worst case scenario, we would not be able to get these symptoms immediately, but it would take nearly 5 years for us to recognize and realize. The research also confirms the surety of the disease attack due to the precarious effect of sanitizers. In spite of downfalling economical conditions of our country, production of sanitizers has reached a market value from 10 crores to 43 crores. In America, 300% of sanitizers production has been increased and new 152 manufacturers have come forward in producing them. Okay, what is the best way for us to protect from deadly virus and bacteria? Having economical and prevention control in mind, soaps are considered to be better. Washing our hands using soaps not only reduces the harmful effects, but also 15 to 20% of expense can be reduced. But our Mother Nature has given the best solution. Please do wash our hands in water containing neem leaves, turmeric powder, tulasi, which are all the best germicidal options. They have lots of good effects to us. We can also use this water spraying around our surroundings, which makes none of the insects like mosquitoes, bugs to be welcomed. These options strengthen our immune system and safeguard our lives. So my dear friends, hope you all liked this video. If you have any views, kindly post and comment. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. More informative videos are on the way. Thank you.